In this video, you will learn to earn money by promoting affiliate products that are inside Digistore24 by using an absolutely free traffic source. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any crucial information that I am going to provide you in this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. First thing is first, if you don't have an account on Digistore24, then simply visit to digistore24.com and create your absolutely free account on Digistore24 by just clicking on register now. It will take you like 2 minutes to follow their instruction. Whatever they are asking you, just provide it and you are going to create your own Digistore24 account within few minutes. In case if you are unable to create your account on Digistore24, then as an alternative, what you can do is you can also create your own account on clickbank.com. So basically Digistore24 and ClickBank are pretty similar, and the way you can use both platform is also same. But if you can create your account on Digistore24, then I would suggest you to create your account on Digistore24. Once you create your account on Digistore24, then simply log into Digistore24, and then what you can do is simply click on marketplace and type weight loss. Now the free traffic that we are going to use to promote the affiliate products from Digistore is best if it is inside from health and fitness, and especially if it is in the weight loss category. That's why simply type weight loss and see all the product by sales ranks. So these are the products that are making affiliates good amount of commission on a daily basis. So you can select any product that you want that is a bit interesting. Okay, now it is your responsibility to find the product. You can either promote this product, whichever product. Even you can keep on testing different product with the free traffic source that I am going to show you in few minutes. So the first important thing is you need to get your specific affiliate link, and for that just click on this promote now, and you'll see this kind of dialog box. You can simply click on here and your affiliate link will be copied in an easy way. Once you have copied your affiliate link, then simply visit to a site that is called bit.ly.com and just create your free account on bit.ly, and then sort in your this long affiliate URL. To do so, just log into your bit.ly free account and then click on create new and then click on link. Now just paste your long affiliate URL at here and then scroll below and just click on this create. Now simply add the title for your affiliate link. So whatever the product name is, just type it at here so that you can later remember that this is the product that you are promoting with this specific short link, and just click on save. Now you can simply click on this copy and your bit.ly link will be copied. Now once you do this much, then you need lots of traffic to this link so that you can make money inside Digistore24. To do so, you need to visit to a special site from where you need to get free traffic without creating or doing anything by yourself. Okay, you can literally copy and paste, and I'm going to show you each and everything. So which site you need to visit is, this site name is BitChute. Now let me show you how much this site receives traffic on a monthly basis. So if you scroll below and you can check here, monthly visit 30 million. So 30 million people are visiting to this site, and the top countries that visit to this site is from United States, Canada, UK. So people from this country visit maximum in this site. So it is worth promoting your affiliate product inside this site, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Firstly, just click on this login and register and create your free account on BitChute. It doesn't cost you any money, just create your free account. Once you create your free account, and then you can log into BitChute, and if you type weight loss at here, then you can click on search and you will see people are already promoting this kind of affiliate product like Lepti Talks. Now maybe they are not promoting Lepti Talks at this specific video, but lots of people use this site in order to promote health and fitness product by using this kind of simple videos. Now you don't need to create any of these videos by yourself, and I'm going to show exactly how. So in a nutshell, you need to put a upload a video at this site, give it a title, give it a description, and then post your affiliate link that is sorted in Bitly. So now in order to get free video, what you can do is simply visit to YouTube and type weight loss and see whichever video you think can be used to the product that you are going to promote. So for example, let's say I like this video, and now what I can do is I can simply copy link address of this video. Now once you do this, then just go to another site that is called y2med.com and paste that link that you have copied, and you will see this kind of interface. Now you can download this video in an easy way. You can go with 720p 1080p, for this video purpose I am going to go with 720p. So you just need to click on this download, and then again click on this download mp4. So now your video is being downloaded at here. Now once this video is downloaded, then what you can do is you can simply visit again to BitChute and then click on this upload new video, this icon. Now you can upload your video at here. Just click on this browse and then select the video that you have downloaded and click on open. Now your video is being uploaded at here. Now you don't need to worry if you are going to get copyright strike or something like that by using this video. Okay, if you fear it that much, then you can edit this video by using some editing software from your Play Store or maybe some software in your desktop or laptop. But you don't need to do that. Okay, maybe if you upload up to 10 videos and 2 videos got some kind of strike and they were removed, then 8 video will keep on bringing you views and sales in long run. So that's why don't take that much tension about copyright issues, because you are not downloading videos from YouTube and uploading it to YouTube. Okay, you are downloading the videos from YouTube and you are uploading it in BitChute. So now you need a thumbnail. You can create your own thumbnail by using Canva or something like that, but if you don't want that, then you can simply come here and right click on here and click on save image as, and then you can save the image that is used at here. But in case of thumbnail, what I would recommend you is you just try to create your own version of thumbnail. Okay, and if you don't want to put thumbnail, then you can directly upload it in this way by taking a screenshot from the video itself. So you can simply search for a screenshot taking app like GreenShot. Okay, and then what you can do is just play the video that you have downloaded and then take the screenshot of any interesting part in the video. Now another option is you can simply search on Google weight loss before and after and select any image that is good in looking, and you can upload that as a thumbnail in BitChute. Or the last option for the thumbnail is what you can see is here is a button that says grab thumbnail. If you click on it, then it will automatically create a thumbnail for you. Just click on it and it will take few seconds and it will make this exact image as a thumbnail. Okay, so it is as easy as this to create or use thumbnail in BitChute. Now you need to give this video a title and description. For that also you can directly copy this title and description, or what you can do is you can create your own version of this title and description. Okay, you can make some few edits at here, and similarly in case of description, just copy few lines that makes sense. Just copy these lines and paste it at description, and in between just you can type click here to lose 10 pounds in a week. You can type these things and give your affiliate link from Bitly in this way. And now in case of content sensitivity, it is fine, suitable for ages 16 and over. And in case of search term, what you can do is simply type everything related to health and fitness or weight loss. Just type weight loss. So don't give space at here, and give space at here. As you can see here, max 3 search term you can put at here and separated by space. So you can type another lose weight. Similarly, you can type fitness. And once you have done this much, then just make sure publish right away is ticked and then click on proceed. And once your video is uploaded in BitChute, then it will look something like this, and your views will be seen at here, your description will be at here, and your affiliate link will be at here. So guys, now I've shown you all the process. Now you just use your creativity, okay, and to make keep on posting videos and affiliate link along with the videos that you are uploading in BitChute, okay, and keep on doing it. Just don't be like putting one videos and thinking about making good amount of money. Just keep on uploading videos that you don't even need to create. As you can see here, research is also affiliate product that someone maybe he or she is promoting this research, and he have got like 1600 views in this video alone, okay. So that's why just keep on uploading several videos and you will keep on getting views, and you will be ultimately keep on making money on a daily basis inside Digistore. So guys, this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you like this video, and if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you are looking to watch more interesting videos that are related to making money online, then I have handpicked my previous special making money online YouTube videos and kept all of those in the description of this YouTube video. You can check those videos too. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Have a great life ahead. Bye bye.